Right, I'm just going to give you a video walk round of this 2019 delivery mileage Kombi. It's a short wheelbase factory Kombi and it's 204 brake horsepower with the DSG gearbox. Lovely specification, deep black pearl. Just show you a few things. The plastic work on the mirrors and all the front bumpers and trims have all been done in gloss black. Being a Highline, it's got the front fog lights. We've got a Sportline style front bumper spoiler. Badges in black. Looks really nice. Right, we'll walk you round, show you these headlights for a start. We've got the LED headlights, which is a really nice feature on these. I'm going to grab the key in my pocket and just show you the electric sliding doors. Although I haven't picked the key up, so I'll show you manually. But you can do it on the remote, so I'll just pull the door handle. Those rear windows have got the opening part, so you can slide those opening. And the leather seats, quite a new design for us, look really nice. Black stitching in the centre, white stitching around the sides of the seat and headrests. And then we've got perforation on the leather on the sides of the seats. Being a factory Kombi, it's got the soft rubber floor, and if you look at the headlining, we've got like an Alcantara suede headlining with 4 LED lights. It's got the original lights in there as well, got a little switch at the side to operate the LEDs. And in the front, we'll show you, it's got 2 captain seats with the twin armrests on. It's really nice. Comfort dash, we've got the grey metallic dashboard with glove box. It's got the navigation, app connect, Apple CarPlay, so you can put all the apps off your phone. This one's also got heated front seats. We've got electric sliding door buttons on the dash, climate control, heated front windscreen, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Got rain sensor wipers, carpet on the floor. Right, we'll move round the back and show you the tailgate spoiler, rear wiper, got a black centre badge, carbon fibre bumper trim, park distance control. We'll open the tailgate and just show you in the back. So we've got a separate switch on the tailgate for the twin downlighters. Professionally carpeted in the rear. It's a nice mid-grey quality carpet. It looks really nice. There we go. These wheels are 20-inch Velar load rated alloy wheels. New tyres, we've got the sidebars on there, and I'll just show you in the driver's side. So we'll start with the mirrors, which are heated, electric and power folding. The headlights are on auto, so we've got auto lights. Show you the mileage of this one, it's only done 136 miles. So there we go, full description of this van and others on our website, which is justnicevans.co.uk or Martin Atkinson Vans. If you've got any questions on this one, if you give us a ring, ask for Andy if you've got a part exchange or you'd like a finance quotation. Thank you for watching.